Leader Electronics of Europe will highlight its ability to provide suitable test and measurement equipment regardless of format, application, or market at IBC 2025. The range to be showcased covers solutions from the Leader, Fabrics, and Leader Fabrics brands, including the LPX 500 multi-channel 4K waveform monitor and ZNW series advanced analyzers for the production market, as well as essential tools like the LT4670 Sync Pulse Generator and NDI signal troubleshooting and monitoring software NDI Checker.
Globecast will showcase its latest innovations in hybrid cloud solutions at IBC 2025, including the launch of its transformative new solution, Content Exchange, in addition to Globecast Media Platform, that gathers all content acquisition, processing, and distribution solutions. The new Content Exchange solution tailored for rights holders allows scalable and flexible transmission and processing for the most demanding media applications. This unified all-IP infrastructure, which combines satellite, fiber, and hybrid cloud technologies, enables seamless acquisition, processing, and delivery of both live and on-demand content. Globecast will also showcase its orchestration of hybrid cloud solutions designed for remote production, media asset management, TV head-end, live and channel playout, and video OTT.
Atlanta-based Georgia Institute of Technology plans to build Nexus, a supercomputer designed to help scientists discover new medicines, advance clean energy, understand how the brain works, and drive manufacturing innovations. The initial budget for Nexus is $20 million. The computer would be one of the most advanced in the US, though its creators believe that, if done correctly, it will be obsolete within a decade. Nexus is reportedly expected to perform 400 quadrillion operations per second. Researchers from across the country and in various fields will have access to the system.
Less than 7 weeks remains until IBC 2025. The show kicks off on Friday, September 12th, and runs through September 15th at RAI Amsterdam. This year's event promises to be intensive, insightful, and packed with product demos, presentations, conference sessions, and networking opportunities. Registration is now open. Reserve your free visitor badge by scanning the QR code displayed on your screen and save €175. Don't hesitate. This offer expires at the end of July.
The BBC has appointed Anjali Kapoor as a new director for BBC News AI, Innovation and Growth. She will lead off-platform growth and focus on optimizing BBC audiences and digital strategy. Kapoor has held strategic senior leadership positions at the Globe and Mail, Yahoo, and Bloomberg Media. Most recently, Kapoor was director for media partnerships in the Asia-Pacific region for Meta, where she partnered with media organizations to achieve their strategic business goals around audience and revenue growth.
Insta360 has unveiled Anti-Gravity, a new drone generation that, according to the company, introduces a new product category: Insta360 drones built around immersive flight. By combining cutting-edge imaging technology with an intuitive control system, Anti-Gravity enables users to capture their surroundings from any angle, without requiring advanced piloting skills. Anti-gravity drones are designed for creators of all kinds. With intuitive operation and streamlined controls, users can launch and record within seconds. Featuring a built-in Insta360X series dual-lens camera, Anti-Gravity allows users to fly without worrying about framing the perfect shot. Everything is recorded in full, giving creators the freedom to focus on the moment and craft their story afterward. Anti-Gravity is also pioneering a community-driven product development model through the Anti-Gravity Hub. To ensure drones are used responsibly, Anti-Gravity's first product features smart safety functions, including payload detection to prevent unauthorized modifications or unsafe flight behavior.
Dear friends and colleagues, if you'd like your news to be featured in briefly, please reach out to us in the comments. Let's create news together.